come take a tour of this newly vacant, ready to be bought and beautiful home. Welcome to 9704 East Suncrest Road, Scottsdale. This is a gorgeous corner lot residence located in a private gated community in Sierra Norte. It has stunning curb appeal, a spacious 3-car garage, and an inviting courtyard with a fire pit that will greet you upon arrival. The beautiful chef's kitchen boasts a plethora of white shaker cabinets, sleek quartz counters, a wall oven, a center island, stylish tile backsplash, and a peninsula equipped with a breakfast bar. Fall in love with a captivating interior offering wood look floor, soothing palette, dazzling light fixtures, and plantation shutters. You'll also find 2 delightful fireplaces ideal for spending cozy nights at home. The main retreat showcases a spotless ensuite with dual vanities, a soaking tub, and a walk-in closet. Discover the harmonious backyard, including a full-length covered patio and a sparkling swimming pool great for summer afternoons. You do not want to let this rare gem pass you by.